Sonos Era 300, the Atmos beast that swallows rooms whole. Ever felt like your speakers are staging a mutiny, churning out flat, forward-firing fizz that boxes in your beats, leaving you leaning in vain for that lost layer of life? That hollow hunch when bass bumps bluntly and highs hover harmlessly, blocking the boundless bliss of full immersion? It's like your playlist's pinned in a prison. Drop a comment if this sonic standoff strikes a chord. Share your most muffled memory. Envision the echo. Album drops delayed by dull delivery. Stress swelling as Spatial skips sap serenity toward burnout. Those hurried hops between apps and amps hijacking harmony you'd harvest for head-bobbing highs. Discord deepens from directionless drones to depleted dynamics, intensifying the itch until euphoria is eclipsed. Imagine awakening audio with a wireless Dolby Atmos dynamo like the Sonos Era 300, 360-degree delight. No escalation echo. If you're starved for spatial spark, this could soundtrack your salvation. Ignite the immersion. The Sonos Era 300, 2025 sculptural wireless smart speaker that shatters stereo shackles with 6 Class D amplified drivers, 2 woofers thumping tight lows, 2 mid-ranges murmuring mids, 2 tweeters tweeting highs, angled inward and upward to hurl Dolby Atmos music from walls to ceilings. Crafting a room-wrapping reverie via custom waveguides that whisper sound sideways and skyward for stereo sprawl you savor standing or swaying. Wi-Fi weaves high-res streams from Apple Music or Amazon. Bluetooth beckons button press pairings. USB-C summons line-in legacies with adapter alchemy, while Trueplay tunes the tempest to your space's secrets. Microphones muted by a mindful switch for voice-free voyages. It's that bewitching bloom from boxed broadcasts to boundless ballets, the velvety vibration of vocals vaulting overhead like velvet veils lifting, evoking the euphoric embrace of echoes enveloping your essence. Meet Javier, the jazz junkie juggling gigs. One velvet-voiced vinyl spin via adapter, and suddenly sax solos soared surround, cymbals cascaded from above, pulling his practice pad into a phantom philharmonic without a single snag. Alexa awakens hands-free hits. Sonos voice control croons commands with cloaked confidentiality. Regular updates usher untold upgrades, and multi-room meshes with Arc or Beam for multi-channel mayhem that marries movies to melodies. Here's one way the Sonos Era 300 saved the day for a busy professional. Mid-podcast pivot, Trueplay recalibrated chaos to clarity, banishing bass bloat. Keep tuning in for the bonus trick at the end that heightens your height channels. Savor the symphony. Efficiency enchants as Trueplay tailors tunes and taps, crystallizing focus on flawless frequencies where every element emerges etched, while performance peaks with 300-watt waves washing wide without warp, empowering playlist plunges, office oasis odes, or theater thrills with pro-grade presence that pulses profoundly. The Sonos Era 300 redefines spatial audio with groundbreaking engineering, lauds an audio expert, extolling its 6-driver sprawl that envelopes like a live lair. Tech influencer rhapsodizes, Dolby Atmos on Apple Music, enveloping, bass punches tight, Bluetooth's a breeze for quick quests. An analyst acclaims, Sonos pioneers Atmos in one-box bliss, a connected catalyst for home harmony. Music maven confesses, albums reborn in Atmos. Layers leap out, room filling from anywhere. App setups a snap. Home host shares, office anchor now. Alexa timers tick true. Mics off peace. Podcast pristine amid pandemonium. See why thousands trance over this Dolby Atmos darling, ditching design quirks for hourglass allure or Atmos scarcity via stereo supremacy. It counters volume veils with dynamic depth that defies distortion or ecosystem lock-in through Bluetooth bridges, bolstering the UVP of versatile, vivid vitality. Which wonder, the upward tweeter's aerial artistry or waveguide's wide whisper, would whisk away your woes? Comment below and croon. What's your sonic sanctuary song? Feel that fathomless flow, the feathery float of flutes floating free like feathers in a fervent breeze? Scarcity Symphony. Limited lots lingering like last calls. Harmonize with thousands who've heightened their havens via the Sonos Era 300 spatial stereo surge and Trueplay triumphs. Don't drone through another drab drop. 1 Pro purred. It reshaped my listening landscape in a lick. Comment, yes, if you're yearning for that secret tip inside on mic mute mastery. Claim it now. Conjure the exclusive height channel hack for heavenly highs and harmonize your home. Don't just hum. Hurl into hypnotic heights today.